Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Happy Vlogmas, whatever day it is. So I know you guys can tell by the title what this video is all about. I'm about to show you guys how I style Nalea hair for the holiday. Baby girl need a real life trim, y'all. Real life trim. So I just got done washing her hair. We washed it, conditioned it, and deep conditioned it. Now I'm just letting this towel soak up some of the moisture before I get to the blow drying process. But I am going to blow dry, straighten, and trim her ends. Now your girl is not a cosmetologist or nothing like that, but she does her kids' hair. So y'all, all right y'all, so like I was saying before the camera rudely cut off and interrupted me, I'm about to get into this video. I am probably going to speed through a lot of it, but I am going to show you guys how I style her hair, especially when it's time for a trim. We are probably taking off a couple inches, y'all, because baby don't be combing her hair out like she needs to. She don't be taking care of her hair like she needs to. So we're gonna see what we're working with. But before we get into this video, be sure to thumbs up the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new. And don't forget to hit that bell notification so you guys can be notified each and every time we drop a video. But I'll be back to check in with you guys. But check out your girl styles. So we about to get into flat ironing. Now I did go ahead and cut this little section off camera just because when I get ready to cut it all, I ain't gonna be able to reach it like I need to. So now remember, I did say your girl is not a professional, you know what I'm saying? She just do what she do to her kids. But I did go ahead and hit it with that Paul Mitchell heat protectant. I have the flat iron. This is a Baby Bliss, by the way. Baby Bliss Pro Prima 3000. Great flat iron. But I did go ahead and hit it with the heat protectant. I have the flat iron on 380. And we about to get it popping. Now I do only like to do one pass. One pass and one pass only. Let me bring y'all a little closer so y'all can see. All right, y'all want to make sure y'all definitely hitting small sections. That way you can do the one pass and it still gets straight. I'm not trying to bone straight or anything like that. I don't flat iron her hair too often. But I'm going to go ahead and fast forward through this so you guys go ahead and watch. And I will come back once we get to the top. All right, y'all, so as y'all see, I am on the last piece here. Remember that I did not straighten her hair to be bone straight. I literally straightened her whole head on 380. I'm sure you guys can see throughout the video how damaged her ends are. Because it's something about these teenagers, y'all. They want to be putting their hair in them ponytails and not really combing it out and all that. So her hair has broken off a lot. All right, so as you guys can see here, how broken off her hair is in this middle area. And that's throughout her whole head. She has so much length everywhere else. I mean, her hair has broken off all over, but that area is the worst. So we about to choppity chop, y'all. Alright, y'all, so your girl is back and I'm done. Now remember, I said I'm not a cosmetologist. Definitely not a licensed one. But her hair already feels so much better. Ooh, so much better, y'all. So this is what we looking like. And whatever's on the floor. As y'all see, we had to cut off quite a few inches on some of it, but it's looking good. You know what I'm saying? She got a little bit of body now. Let me bring the camera down so y'all can see. So I wasn't necessarily trying to cut it like this, but that's the way it ended up coming out. But y'all, we got to get her hair growing. Y'all saw it broke off. It broke off. It had broke off so much right in this middle area. Like her hair over here was like down here. Can y'all see that? Her hair over here was like down here and the middle was way up here. Not cute. So we definitely had to fix that. You know, she got a little Dora, but she looking good. Her hair is back to looking nice and healthy. You guys saw the before, it was hideous. Back to looking nice and healthy, and that is the goal, to keep it healthy. That way we can get it growing. Because honestly, y'all, as much hair she got, as nice as her curl pattern is, if I would have like stayed strict on taking care of it and not let her do her hair so much, then her hair would probably be to her ass. So we gonna see where we can get with growing it, because really it was about right here. Let me turn you around so they can see. So it was about right here. Her hair is not that short, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all. So her neck starts right here where my finger is. So y'all see it's still definitely draping down her back. Y'all can see the difference right here. So it's still definitely draping down her back. It's just not dripping as much as it was, but you know, we gonna get her right. We gonna hit her with a few protective styles. So let's see where we can get her by summer next year. I just gotta stop letting her put ponytails and stuff in her hair, because baby girl don't be combing her hair out right. You hear me? So what do you think, Nalea? What are your thoughts?
No.
I told her I was cutting it, y'all, and I told her I was chopping it, but I don't think she quite understood what I meant by chopping it off. So your thoughts? Shake your head for him one time. Show him that body. Girl, it's already moving and you barely moving. Put your hand up. Tell them your thoughts.
No. I shouldn't have cut my hair.
Yes, I should have. How do you expect your hair to grow?
Oh, mommy. I look like
You look like a what?
I look like I got a bob.
Loki? But you really don't, because the front is usually longer than the back. You still have a lot of length in the back. If it was a bob, your hair would have been cut back here. I mean, cut up here in the back. So what do you think? Let me show you the back. What the back looking like.
Look at my forehead. That's why I do side parts.
Don't it look so much more healthier? Tell me, look at that. Look at all that. You can see through your hair there.
Look at how much you got.
Of course, because your hair is so damaged.
Okay, can you tell me that?
So tell the people what you think first. Let's finish our video up.
I already said it.
You said what?
It's okay.
You don't have a bob.
It's okay.
But like, put your hands through your hair and feel the difference. No, don't play with me. What do you think? Can you, girl, put your hands through. You feel how it's like not kinking up anymore, how much it flows. Like, shake your head. Go and give it a shake. Body yaddy yaddy yaddy. Shake that thing again. She got that. Body yaddy 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 yaddy. No. However Meg the Stallion said. But yeah, y'all, thank y'all for tuning into this video. I just wanted to show you guys how I am trying to grow her hair, okay, or fix it, you know what I'm saying? Because as y'all can see, it was a little damaged, but we just got rid of that. So let's see how we can get her hair on and popping. She clearly must like it. She can't keep her hands out her head.
No.
She gonna have to get used to this, but she need it, okay, y'all? This joint will be in braids here soon. Thank you guys for tuning into this video. Please be sure to thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll check you guys in the next video.
Yes, baby, don't check for me. Taking time out.